Here are today's top news stories and why they matter. The body of former Nigerian President Muhammadu Buhari has returned to Nigeria from London following his passing on Sunday at the age of 82. So what's next? He will be laid to rest on Tuesday in his hometown of Daura in Katsina State. The burial will follow Islamic rites and is expected to be attended by a large number of mourners, including President Bola Tinubu, former heads of state, and dignitaries from across the African continent. In honor of the occasion, the federal government has declared Tuesday a public holiday. As the nation reflects on Buhari's legacy, residents of Daura shared these heartfelt tributes.
People are at a sober mood now. Whoever you see, before we arrived here, we saw a lot of people crying. If not that he is a good person, nobody will even care. But his people here are in a sober mood. May his soul rest in peace.
It's a great loss, and we are feeling his absence right now. It has taken not less than 2 days, but we are feeling the impact.
In Uganda, the country's constitutional court has issued a significant ruling on the legality of polygamy, reaffirming its place within the country's legal framework. The ruling has sparked mixed reactions among Ugandans. Why does this matter? DW's Frank Eager has the details from Kampala.
The court delivered this new ruling following a petition by the Women's Pro Bono Initiative, a women's rights organization. The group challenged the practice of polygamy, arguing that it fosters various social problems. However, in her judgment, Justice Margaret Tibulia stated that individuals who enter into polygamous marriages are presumed to understand the responsibilities and expectations involved. But the ruling also reinforces that converting a monogamous marriage into a polygamous one constitutes bigamy, a criminal offense under the law. The ruling has sparked reactions among Ugandans.
Actually, they delayed to make that ruling. The population of women in Uganda is 3 times the population of men. So if we don't marry them, where are they going to go?
No, I don't agree with them. I don't know where they even go to that, like they have to reach out that men has to get as many women as they want. Real, in this economy of Uganda, in this economy of Uganda.
It is long overdue. It should have been like that. Because from an African context, polygamy has never been an issue. The only big problem that has come up is that there is a challenge of resources. If someone has the capacity, if I have the money, and I can marry about 4 women, and they're all comfortable with it, then why not?
Me as a Christian, that's among my Christian values, I cannot support polygamy. If the court has ruled and it has been allowed, that is for the court. But for me, I disagree with it.
If you have one wife cannot manage all your demands. So I think I accept that court ruling, and I'm happy of it, and we should really take care of these women.
And finally, South Africa's vehicle exports to the United States have plunged by over 70%, a sharp decline driven by the reintroduction of tariffs under the Trump administration's trade policy. These tariffs, which reverse previous preferential terms under the African Growth and Opportunity Act, AGOA, have severely disrupted a once thriving export route. Why does this matter? This development not only threatens South Africa's economic stability, but also underscores the broader impact of shifting global trade policies on emerging markets. The loss of U.S. market access could ripple through supply chains, affect investor confidence, and strain an industry already navigating global competition and technological change. The National Association of Automobile Manufacturers of South Africa is urging the government to pursue diplomatic channels to restore trade access while manufacturers are exploring alternative markets to cushion the blow. And that's all we have for you today. Don't forget to leave a comment, share, like, and subscribe to our channel, DW Africa. I'm Lucy Riley.